What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Mark with 1/6 Snail. Welcome back to the series where I go from this
left, medium left. Listen to my calls. Medium left into sharp left.
to this. And in order to get there, I'm gonna have to do some serious training on the sim rig as well as in actual open practice at nearby rally tracks. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get this thing started. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Mark, with 1/6, bringing it back to you with another episode 3. And if you're new here, this is a series where I take you from being a noob sim racer slash real life rally driver to at least not kill myself on any open stage or rally cross events. I'm gonna give you a recap. This is what it looked like before.
Into 4 right. Into 4.
And then second episode, it looked a little like this.
50.
And then third episode, this episode, we're gonna tackle the art of the pendulum, the Scandinavian flick on the actual stage. Now, I've been grinding my tail off. I have to keep the words PG. I got students that watch this channel. I've been working my tail off all this week, really practicing, really going into the free roam and getting some good practice, some good warm-ups, shakedown basically, where I practice all those skills that I've been practicing before, and then I put them together, and I've been setting some pretty fast stage times. So I'm gonna show you what that's like now, and let's get it started. .349 is the time to beat. I set that time, it's pretty quick, but let's see if we can do this, okay?
5,
4, 3, 2,
1, go. 6 left, opens of a crest.
6 left, opens of a crest.
Into 6 right long of a crest. Into 6 left. And 6 right long, opens of a crest. 50, 4 left. Into don't cut 3 right long of a crest. Keep right of a 40, 3 left.
Oh my god. Oh, alright. Not a good start. Not a good start at all. Alright, that's alright, that's the first one. This is why we're doing sim racing. That's why we're doing sim racing.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 left, opens of a crest.
Came in too high.
Into 6 right long of a crest. Into 6 left. And 6 right long. Opens of a crest. 50. 4 left. Into don't cut 3 right long of a crest. Keep right of a 40. 3 left. Into 2 right. Very long. Past junction. Opens 30. 3 right. 30. 4 left of a crest. Keep middle of a 150. Caution. 4 left of a crest, narrow. 30. Keep middle of a crest. 50.
Oh my god. That's not good.
Right.
That's not good. Alright. That's why we're practicing. Alright.
30. Keep middle of a crest. 50. 5 left. And 6 right. 30. 6 right. Opens. Keep middle of a crest.
We're good, we're good.
Into keep right into 4 left.
Keep right into 4 left.
150. 4 right. Into slow. 6 left. 30. Turn unseen. 1 right. Opens 100, turn unseen, square left.
Alright, that's okay. We're getting better at those. Not the pile of wood! Oh my god.
60. Turn 1 left.
Turn 1
Opens
left.
3 long. sudden turn 2 right, 80, turn 1 right long of a double junction.
Right there, that's a pendulum, Scandinavian flick.
Opens into 6 left long, tightens, turn hairpin left.
Hairpin left.
Opens flat of a crest long, 30. 6 left, and turn 4 right, 40. 6 right of a crest, slow 50, turn very tight hairpin left.
That starts braking.
30.
E-brake. Ah!
4 right long, opens
right.
90.
Thank you anyway, we're good, we're good.
4 left long, tightens.
4 left long.
200. Flat left of a crest, past
That
junction.
left of a crest.
200. Slow, turn unseen, 1 right.
Pump the brakes, don't lock, don't lock.
Into 5 left long, opens, and crest. Into 6 left, 50.
Are you joking? Oh, wow. Are you? Oh my god, dude.
Jump.
I don't even want to finish this one.
80. Crest into 6 left long, tightens 4. To keep middle of a jump, 80. Turn 3 right, 100. Turn unseen, narrow 4 left of a crest jump. Opens long, 6 left of a double jump. Into cut 5 right. To keep left of a crest and keep middle of a crest, 50. Over finish, cut 6 left long to stop.
Dang, man. Oh my god, we were doing just fine. Okay, let's try that again. We're gonna try that one more time.
Turn unseen, 1 right. Into 5 left long, opens
Brother.
a crest. Into 6 left,
Okay, we're still at
50. Jump 4 right long, 80. Crest into 6 left long,
That's with the 6
tightens
left long.
4. To keep middle of a jump, 80.
Are you fucking joking me, bro?
100. Turn unseen, narrow 4 left of a crest jump. Opens long, 6 left of a double jump. Into cut 5 right. To keep left of a crest and keep middle of a crest, 50. Over finish, cut 6 left long to stop.
Oh my goodness, dude. Okay, well, we cut 9 seconds off, so we're getting better. I have to beat myself, obviously. This is not working out the way I thought it was. I swear I've gotten better. I swear it. Here we go.
Crest, into keep right into 4 left.
Are you joking? Brother. Into a tree. Oh my god.
60. Turn 1
Second
left.
gear. Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Oh my fucking god. You piece of shit Logitech. My goodness, dude.
Scene 1 right.
What did I even hit? What did I even hit?
Into 5 left long, opens a crest.
Oh, this
6
fucking
left.
thing again. Oh
50.
my god, dude. I don't want to play no more. I don't want to play no more.
Keep middle of a crest. 50.
Oh, oh my. Just want to fucking punch this fucking TV. You piece of shit.
30.
I'm shifting.
50.
Ah! I'm fucking shifting it. I am literally shifting the fucking shifter. I'm about to have an aneurysm. Oh.
5,
Just look.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 left, opens of a crest. Into 6 right long of a crest. Into 6 left, and 6 right long, opens of a crest, 50, 4 left. Into don't cut 3 right long of a crest. Keep right of a 40, 3 left. Into 2 right, very long, past junction, opens 30, 3 right, 30, cut 4 left of a crest, keep middle of a 150, caution, 4 left of a crest, narrow, 30, keep middle of a crest.
Well guys, there's nothing else I can do. It's just not gonna happen today. It's not gonna be great every single time. And while I have made improvements and it does not feel like it right in this moment, if you remember the last episode, I couldn't even get out of third gear or fourth gear. I was hitting the rev limiter like 90% of the time, 100% of the time. So the fact that I'm even pushing for times and it's not really a missing out on a co-driver calls or the fact that I'm not comfortable with the speed, it's the inputs, it's putting it all together. As you can tell, my Ghost had it all together. Whatever I was doing on Wednesday night, I was in maximum flow state. I was Himothy on Wednesday night, and I've been trying to beat that Ghost for the last couple days, and I keep getting close, but it's those little issues. Made drastic improvements. I know you guys can see that. We'll see what episode 4 brings. We have an open stage rally coming up February 8th. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my crash outs, my pain, and your enjoyment. And I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.